Hello and welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. So this is part 5 of gravity fed sluicebox. Since it's starting to rain, suddenly the flies are out. It's that time of year, you need the fly nets. Up until now what I've been doing is making sure that the area I'm digging out of is nice and deep. Now it's time to just use the thing. So not a whole lot of difference this here. So what I've gone and done is, it used to be just a piece of flexi pipe, whereas now what I've done is I put a bolt to it. I use the pliers to hold the other side, so it's actually embedded itself into the actual PVC. Okay, so it's getting late in the day. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go set this thing up. I'm not actually going to run the material to the sluice box today because I wouldn't have enough time to do a clean out. I'm going to run the material to either a gold pan or a bucket. So we have the plan. Get this set up, get it operational, get it working, and just start moving some dirt. I'd love to set up the sluice box. I really want to do it. The first thing I need to do is I need to get this system primed. But as soon as I get it to a point where there's no air in the system, then it's going to work. Once I reckon I have it primed, I'm going to stick the bucket at the end of it. Got to be real patient about this. But when you get it running, oh, it's got to be fun. Okay, so I wish there was an easier way to do this, but there isn't. What I'm going to do is very gently. Got to be nice and gentle with this. See what that happens. Is that okay? There we go. Hear that sound? We get the air out system and go. There we go. Nice and perfect. Look at this. Right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try it myself with the underwater viewer. Just going to direct that hose towards some gravels. Oh, it is working, yeah. Excellent stuff. I'm going to pop you underwater and let you see this. I'm going to move myself aside to where the camera was. Right, pop you underwater and hopefully you can move some lots of dirt. Doesn't seem to be working great. I'm going to go down and check the bucket. About €50 for a 2-inch hose, but I think it might be worth it. Because a 2-inch hose is 10 meters long, and that will bring me all the way down to where the pipe finishes. €50 is a good chunk of change, but if I can get it doing what it's supposed to do, happy days. Right, I'm going to go check the bucket, and I'll come back in a second. There's some dirt in there, but I have a feeling there's a jam somewhere on the pipe. So what I'm going to do is, as I take it apart, I'm going to see is there any jams. I say there's probably a jam down there. Not seeing any blockages there, that looks okay. Yeah, so that's perfectly fine. You can nearly wash your car with that. Okay, well look, that's unfortunate, it didn't work, but at least I've confirmed it now. Do I really want to go out and spend €50 on a hose? I'm realising now I do. I need to. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, which is part 5 of gravity fed sluice box. If you like this video, chances are you like the previous videos that I posted and the ones we'll be posting in the future. Speaking of future, the next video will be 8 PM GMT tomorrow, and I will see you there.